Hello YouTube. Today I'll be showing you how to create a 100% removable film gate for your 1/16 cameras. A film gate will allow your camera to achieve a framing that is more suited for 120 film since 1/16 film is no longer made. The reason I did this with my No. 2A Autographic Brownie is because the 120 film is naturally smaller than 1/16. So I found that when exposing a frame, light wrapped around the negative and produced light leaks on the back of my film. It is important to keep in mind that when creating a film gate of any size, the bellows of the camera are still creating an exposure for the original framing size. So any areas that the bellows are covering, that part of the image will not be imprinted. It is important to pick a tough cardstock or paper that will not allow light to penetrate. If you enjoyed this video or any other video on my channel, you can show your support by liking, subscribing, or donating through the donation link in the description or on their channel about page. I want to give a special thanks to my loyal subscribers for their support for the past 8 years of this channel. Thank you so much.